So the other day we had a windstorm come through and the top of this silver maple behind me broke out. So today I'm gonna take my little handsaw right here and cut it down. I wish I had a little bit of a bigger handsaw. It's going to be at the edge of its range, but I think I should still be able to get it. It should be pretty easy. So it's pretty quick. So yeah, I'll slap a few cuts in and then I'll be back and we'll talk about it. So that took a little bit longer than I was anticipating, and I still have quite a bit of cleanup to do because I didn't match up my offside very well at all, and I really just wanted to get through it, so I didn't readjust. But anyway, I matched up the cuts. I'm doing a conventional for a couple reasons. One, we're out east, and so that's just kind of what people do out here. And then two, I didn't want to do a Humboldt and come with the handsaw, do my sloping cut with the handsaw from underneath. It was hard enough going top down with the conventional. It's been really hard going underneath and doing the Humboldt. Anyway, I'll give you a look at what it looks like. I used a hammer to knock out my pie because I don't know if you can see. I'll get it here for you. My handsaw blade is curved, so they're gonna never really match up great, my gunning cut and my sloping cut, so I used the hammer to knock it out. And like I said, I've got a fair bit of cleanup to do on the offside, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like before I did that. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so I can get a look. And here it is. Here's what it looks like from the side. And then I don't know how well you'll be able to see it, but basically I have got, sorry, right into the sun. I have got, where are we? Quite a bit of work to do on this offside. Here's roughly where my cut goes to. I might have brought the saw over, so this might not actually represent that horizontal line that goes through. I might have cheated a little bit at the end, so it might be somewhere around here, but I'll clean that up and then we'll get another look at what it looks like, and then I'll put the back cut in. Okay, so here we are with the finished product. I don't know how well it's going to show up on camera, but this face is real damn ugly. We've got a fair bit of it's not a straight line across on this horizontal cut. We've got it going in, sorry, not a straight line on this horizontal cut. We've got it going in on the corners. Because this tree is so small, I feel pretty safe with that, but obviously if it was a bigger tree, you would want to make it so it was this flat line from corner to corner through the middle. But again, it's a pretty small tree and I'm going to put a wedge in it as soon as I can, so I feel pretty safe. Plus, with the nature of the saw, it's, like I said before, it's not a straight edge, it's curved. It's meant to cut through round pieces of wood, not really to put cuts in a tree. So I think that's going to be close to as good as you can get. You could probably spend some time and clean it up, but I feel pretty safe. I'm still going to have some good ears here on my holding wood, and I should have holding wood throughout. I guess the only problem might be I have a thick band of holding wood in the middle. But like I said, I'm going to put a wedge in, and my goal is to just get close and then pound the crap out of it with the wedge. So with that in mind, I'll put this on time lapse, and hopefully we'll see this tree come down. Right now it's pretty much going straight into this tree right here, which is fine. That tree is probably, oh, I don't know, 20 feet away, and this tree is only 15 feet high, so I'm not worried at all about that. The one thing I am worried about is running out of saw on this back cut, but I'll just switch over to the other side of the tree if that happens, and I think he'll go. So, yep, put this on time lapse and we'll see what happens. So just a note, I got this maul that I'm going to use as a pounder. I was using just a normal hammer before, and I decided that if push comes to shove, I want a maul pounding in that wedge instead of that hammer. And then I also brought out, I believe this is called a carpenter's saw, and I just did that because, like I've been saying, the saw edge or saw blade is curved, and so if I need any straight lines there at the end, I'll have that to finish it off. Okay, here we are. We're nearly through, as you can see. There's my saw, there's my holding wood. Got 2 wedges here in the back. And then this is just a scoring mark. Sorry, just at the end is a scoring mark. So you can see there's a little bit of holding wood left. Actual cuts. And somewhere in this area, then that's the holding wood. And in between, like I said, that's a scoring mark. So we'll set this up so that we can watch this fall over, and hopefully it goes pretty quick. And hopefully it doesn't hit this camera. It'd be a real bummer. I sunk my wedges in so that they've bottomed out. The tree isn't quite going over yet. It's got a pretty strong lean to it, so I'm gonna knock the wedges out. I'll put one back in as a safety wedge, and I'll cut some more. And then hopefully Look at this go over. Solid! Okay. That's how to make a project that would take you 30 seconds with a chainsaw, take an hour with a handsaw. There we go.